Ladies and gentlemen, the community asked for it. Now here it is. Check this out, people. RLUSD on top of the XRP ledger is now available at iTrustCapital. Yes, this video is sponsored by iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital is my top affiliate for a reason, because so many people are being able to retire early. They're being able to put their money where their mouth is. And now with iTrustCapital, you're going to be able to earn up to 2% in rewards. Cash is trash, people. Turn your USD into RLUSD at iTrustCapital. This is the release from iTrustCapital on X today. Ripple USD, RLUSD is now available at iTrustCapital. This is huge, and I'm going to tell you in a few minutes why this is such a big deal. I'm so excited about this. Here in the next couple of months, I'm going to be able to draw from my retirement account that has been with iTrustCapital for over 6 years, and I'm going to tell you the reason I am extremely excited about this. If you go to Ripple's page, you could see that Ripple USD stablecoin is stable, transparent, trusted, Ripple USD, and we always talk about XRP and the XRP community, the XRP army. It is on top of the XRP ledger, people. I'm going to show you this video clip here from David Schwartz, who is the previous CTO at Ripple. He is going to explain to you the advantages of RLUSD, the stablecoin. Have a listen.
The launch of Ripple stablecoin benefits the broader XRP ledger ecosystem, driving more use cases and opportunities for developers. While XRP is the native currency on the ledger, it was built to support any type of asset, crypto or fiat, issued to trade on the DEX. Bringing more credible assets on the DEX, like RLUSD, drives direct and indirect benefits. For example, it drives more trading volume, which natively uses XRP as a bridge asset through auto-bridging and generally benefits users, developers, and apps. A unique feature of the XRPL DEX is that auto-bridging utilizes XRP as the native currency to facilitate trades between any two assets on the ledger. It automatically considers XRP as an intermediary to find the most efficient trading route across assets. RLUSD and XRP will complement each other because of the inherent differences of the cryptocurrencies. For Ripple's proprietary payment products, XRP will continue to be used as a bridge currency. Given the XRPL's speed, cost, and scalability, we see RLUSD being able to foster the growth of new on-chain applications like real-world asset tokenization, foreign exchange markets, and trade settlement. We're entering a growing market expected to see significant expansion, especially with stablecoins. Builders will certainly take advantage of the new opportunities presented by this ecosystem.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a huge deal. This is massive. I got to talk to David Schwartz for about an hour in New York last year, and I loved every minute of it. RLUSD is now available at iTrustCapital, and I'm going to tell you why it is such a big deal. Number one, the community asked for it. Number two, you earn 2% rewards back while holding a stable USD-pegged RLUSD token on iTrustCapital. Well, why is this such a big deal? Let me give you a scenario. This is just the scenario, and I want you to listen. XRP goes to $5 a coin. You cash out $100,000 at iTrustCapital into USD. Well, if you were to leave it as USD on the platform, it's not going to gain any yield. If you convert it to RLUSD, you're going to earn 2% APY on that $100,000, people. The market is volatile. You're going to take profits. You're going to have it sitting there as RLUSD when the market's down. When the market picks back up, you're going to flip that RLUSD back into XRP or Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever your heart desires, and you're going to eliminate tax consequences by going through iTrustCapital. Why is it such a big deal for me, people? Because I have 3 different accounts with iTrustCapital. First of all, 6 years ago, I rolled over 4 401ks into iTrustCapital as a crypto traditional IRA. A few weeks ago, I rolled some of that traditional IRA into a Roth IRA, which at the end of its tenure, I'm going to be paying 0 taxes on the Roth IRA. Premium custody account. I have moved most of my personal crypto holdings over to premium custody account. Why? Because it is institutional grade custody. It is 100% safe and secure. And I tell you what, there's only a 1% conversion fee. Whenever you sign up on my link above, you're going to get, or link below, you're going to get a $100 funding bonus whenever you sign up. You sign up for free, you fund your account, you enjoy the benefits of iTrustCapital. And here recently, they have introduced premium custody treasury for businesses, trusts, and nonprofits. So in your treasury, you're going to be able to invest in cryptocurrency. You're going to be able to trade 24/7 as a treasury option for your business, people. If you go through my splash page, you're going to see the difference between an exchange, a Roth IRA. You're going to see all the benefits, the pricing, the ratings, all of the above. But I want to say hats off to iTrustCapital for bringing RLUSD, the XRP ledger version, to iTrustCapital. Be sure to sign up below for free. You get that $100 funding bonus when you fund your account. Enjoy the ride. Do what I did 6 years ago. Retire early. And don't forget, people, I told you so.